Of course, we have one of the brightest stars in the business, Charlene and Jairus. Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Hannah Pong, styled by Stylist ko.
I'm wearing Ryan Uson, styled by Stylist.
Napakagwapo at napaganda niyo ngayong gabi. Paano mo in-invite si Charlene sa event na to?
Through airdrop.
Airdrop, tsaka bigyan ko siya ng tea na lang. And naglagay ako, ginawa ko yung calligraphy.
Yung in-airdrop niya, parang photo na merong
Parang
nakalagay.
calligraphy yung font niya. Yung font niya. So,
Siya yung mga naggawa. So,
Pang ilang ball niyo na to?
third
together, part comfort ko.
So excited na kayo. Ano nilook forward niyo sa event?
Ako, I'm looking forward to what will happen upstairs.
Ganun din. Siyempre yung performances.
And yung program.
Yung mga performances. And yung pavilion.
Grabe no, binatang-binata na si Jairus at si Charlene. Nakakapanibagong makita dahil dati takbo lang sila ng takbo sa lobby ng ABS-CBN. Thank you, Char and Jai. See you later. You look gorgeous and you look handsome. Diba?